Conflicts between ant colonies can be quite fierce, irrespective of the species they belong to. The battle for sparse resources never ends, as documented here. The larger ant takes a swipe at the smaller one in a desperate attempt to chase it away. Let me break this down into further detail. As part of a project studying ant foraging behavior, I provided a select species with different food items, which I placed at positions 1, 2, and 3 in a preliminary trial. These positions were equidistant from each other and the nest. Time to discuss the species involved. My project focused on the species Myrmicaria brunnea, commonly referred to as short-legged hunchback ants. They call this due to their gasters being curved inwards. These ants love their sweets, just like this individual feeding on sugar. While they often feed on dead insects, workers also swarm live prey in an aggressive fashion. They build nests with massive crater-like entrances and high mud walls. This digging helps aerate the soil, and on a whole, this species has a profound effect on its surroundings. Its nemesis is the notorious Solenopsis geminata, commonly known as fire ants. Here in southern India, it's an invasive species that outcompetes many native ant species for resources. Known for their aggression and rapid colony growth, I kept this species in 2018. They went from being a small colony in a box to one that filled up a terrarium in a matter of months. Fire ants build prominent mound shaped nests, as seen below, and this colony had built its nest close to that of the hunchback ants. This colony had already made its presence felt, and during my preliminary trial of the foraging experiment, the fire ants swiftly claimed the honey I placed. However, what followed was quite incredible. A swarm of hunchback ants rushed towards the honey, biting and chasing away the agitated fire ants. The fire ants tried to defend their prize, spraying formic acid by waving their abdomen. This effort, however, was no match for the wave of hunchback ants, which claimed the honey for themselves in a matter of minutes. It's not often that one sees fire ants beaten in the competition for resources. The footage of the conflict has a lot more going on, and I plan to discuss that in another video. More importantly, I plan on discussing this project on ant foraging patterns in a future video, which hopefully would be uploaded before Feb 2021. This was my first attempt at editing videos, for which I used a trial version of the app Filmora. Let me know what you think of the video in the comments. Stay tuned for an upload, and I'll see you next time.